Here I've got HUAWEI P40 Lite E, and let me show you how to activate SwiftKey autocorrection on the following device. So at first you have to open the messages, then go to a new one, and now click on text message. Here locate and open the settings icon, and now if it's not marked, smoothly click on autocorrect, and now it will be active. Then if you would like to deactivate it, just click again, and now it's no longer active, so you will have no autocorrection included. But I would like to stay with it, so smoothly click on autocorrect, and now your device will correct the words while you are typing them. So this is it. This is how you can smoothly and easily activate SwiftKey autocorrection in your HUAWEI P40 Lite E. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.